Puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design. Come along with Emma, let our styles align. It's design with Emma, let's make a change. Out of box decorator, just call on me. From apartment to house, we'll make it truly yours. So today we're going to be decorating a Valentine's Day Christmas tree. First, I'm going to put the bow on, as you see. Next, what I've done, I have some little heart picks here. I will be sticking the little picks all around the tree. I've also went in and added my garland with the little hearts on it. So next what we're going to do, we're going to put on the little velvet bows that's going to match the larger bow that you see here. And we're going to place the little velvet bows all the way around the tree. So what I have here is a string of twinkling lights. And what we're going to do with the twinkling lights, we're going to put them under the tree. And then on top of the twinkling lights, we're going to put a red sheer curtain, which will act as our tree skirt. And now for the reveal. I'm going to let you go ahead and take a look at it. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to tell you how I put it all together, my little Valentine tree. So go ahead, let's look. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I've done here. So what I've done, I've added a little snowflake from my Christmas decoration. Then I come down and I added the very large bow from Hobby Lobby. I've added a beautiful rose right in center of the bow. Then I went around and I've added the small little velvet bows all the way around the tree. I've also put inside some little heart picks. And on the bottom, I've added a sheer curtain. And under it, I put the beautiful little twinkling lights. So that is what I have here. Just a plain red sheer curtain with the blinking lights under it for my tree skirt. I want to thank Friends with Super Channels, Gio, for inviting me to be a part of the premiere party. I also want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.
Feeling puzzled, confused, or unsure with your home decor, wanting something more. Need a fresh eye, a brand new design.